English. Talk to him in English.
I don't know.
Why?
I'm not sure how to say it.
You don't know nothing?
Sabi niya, babanatan niya na daw yung driver.
Why pass you? Why pass the car one? Why?
Huh? There will be no stopping.
Gasolina too much.
Gasoline.
Gasoline. Hindi gasolina.
No gasolina.
Gasoline English. Gasolina. Tagalog yun. Gasoline.
Gasolina too much. Gasolina.
Yan. Sabi mo na sa kanya, tike-tike bay? Di ba marunong ka nun dati?
Bye. Ada muskila.
Churada muskila? Churada maskara.
The mascara.
Ada lah.
Same. Mascara. Any problem?
Muskila. Muskila, be. Problem yun. Maskara. Biro yun. Joke. Joke.
Ano maskara?
Joke yun. Joke.
Good.
Shuhada.
Ada maskara.
Tiara.
Anong joke yun? Joke.
Eh, ano yun yung?
Ano yung joke? Shuhada maskara.
Yung may sasabi tayo joke, yung nga yung joking.
Eh, ba't tinatanong mo yung mamang driver?
Mawag driver.
Sabi mo na sa mama, birthday mo ngayon.
It's my birthday.
Today, my home drop.
Today is my birthday.
Today.
Not yesterday.
Today is my birthday, kamo.
Yesterday, Prince's birthday. Today, Mikey. Oh, all birthday.
Sabi mo, greet me pare, it's my birthday.
Let's be pare. Birthday. Pakit babatay dito, pakit.
Pag binaba tayo, maglalakad ka, be. Kaya mo ba maglakad? Malayo pa. Hindi natin makukuha si Spider-Man. Kantahan mo na lang daw yung driver. Para bigyan tayong discount sa sa pamasahe.
Give you one drink, huh?
I
Bye.
will give you one big Barbie.
Thank you. Big Barbie.
Kantahan mo muna daw siya. Ay, yung kinakanta mo. Kahit anong kanta.
Can
Bakit?
you wait for a while? You will just pick the thing and you will go back there.
Hindi naman Arabic kakantahin ng English.
Maybe not 5 minutes. Maybe about 3 minutes. Only picking up.
Yeah. Anyway, there's parking there, no?
Ano tatawin? Pahintayin natin siya.
Oo.
Wait till 5 minutes. Okay.
Yeah. You just wait for us, ha? We will just take the cake.
Okay.
And it will not take long.
No longer. Because the cake is already there. We will just take it. On
Yeah.
the phone. Oh,
Yeah.
no problem. On the phone, huh?
Yeah. No, it's already paid. We will just take it. Mag-thank you ka kay pare.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So much.
Tike? Tike?
Shukran.
Tike?
Thank you, Masran.
Tike, my friend. Yung ulo. Dati, pag nagtike kami, oo, ganyan.
Thank you, Masran.
Naintindihan mo ba, kamo? Did you understood?
Did you understood? Understood. Nag-exam mo. Understood. What you want? Understood.
Okay, pare.
Baby shop.
Alam mo pang baby shop, ha? Alam niyo pa, welong yung baby shop.
Alam ko lang yung baby shop.
Mag-thank you ka na kay pare. Here we are.
Thank you very much.
Just wait.
Mr. Baker.
Master Baker. Anong Mr. Baker?